Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find C value. Solution we are going to find in two methods. Here the method 1. The equation is C minus 7 by 7 minus C equal to 1. Now we are moving this denominator right hand side. So we'll get C minus 7 equal to this 1 open bracket 7 minus C. Now C minus 7 in left hand side equal to, we are multiplying this, 1 times 7 is 7 minus 1 times C is C. Now moving this variable one side and constant other side, so C left hand side, this C comes plus C equal to 7 plus 7. Now C plus C is 2C equal to 7 plus 7 is 14. Now divide by 2 on both sides. So 2C by 2 equal to 14 by 2. This 2 cancels this. Here we have C equal to 14 by 2. Do simplify here. We'll get 7 here 1. So C equal to 7 in method 1. Now we are going to verify this. Now verify with the equation that C minus 7 by 7 minus C equal to 1. Here the C value here is C equal to 7. Now we are going to apply this here. So C minus 7 by 7 minus C equal to 1. Applying C here, 7 minus 7 by 7 minus C here is 7 equal to 1. Now 7 minus 7 is 0 and denominator the same, 7 minus 7 is 0 equal to 1. Now 0 is not equal to 1. In method 1, no solution. Now solution in method 2. The equation here is C minus 7 by 7 minus C equal to 1. Now we are going to take minus 1 common from this. So minus 1 open bracket minus C plus 7 by 7 minus C equal to 1. Now this can be written as minus 1 open bracket 7 first minus C second by 7 minus C equal to 1. Now this 7 minus C and this 7 minus C cancel each other. Now we have minus 1 is 1? No. So minus 1 is not equal to 1. So in second method, method 2, no solution for this equation. Thanks for watching this video.